Good morning everyone, Crago here. I'm not just a dad, I'm a bit of everything. Got Rosie here in the garage help me today. Oi, Rosie, speak. Good girl, say hello. I've got a whole heap of rod mounts and cup holders and stuff to put in. Another job on the boat, fitting rod holders. Show you what I've got. Port and starboard three-way at the back. I'm going to whack them right in the middle there. Just a single one, which I'm going to put here straight out. These ones I've got, that's going there between the little grip rungs. This one's going to go here. I'm limited with these slimline ones because that's all I've got on the chine here. I've also got these 30-degree ones. To just trim a bit off the edges for there. Oh no, we're good. Beautiful. What I'm going to do before I screw this off is take this last one off and polish it up. Alrighty, I don't know if you can see that from your angle, but from here it's nearly back to original colour. A whole lot better than it was. So what I've done while I was mucking around changing batteries, I kept going. I used a bit of Jif, which is a cleaning product, but it's actually it's a mild abrasive, so it acts the same as a cutting compound. And then I'm just finishing off. I've just put on some gelcoat Genie, Salty Captain. And just gonna back to nice and shiny anyway, so I don't know if you can see it, but let's change the angle a bit. Hey, look at that, bit of sheen on that, way better than it was. Okay, so got our ribs. I just cleaned them up a bit with a bit of Armour All. They're sort of a plastic product. It seems to have tidied them up a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. See how that fits. Look at that. One down, many to go. Okay, number 2, the other vertical. It's just going to go in there. Two down. That was way faster. Beautiful. Now my dilemma is where to put my 30-degree. I was thinking if I move the navigation, the anchor light up to the top, I'm going to have a hole there. So I thought I'd put it, mirror it, use that hole for one of these and mirror it on this side. But I'm not sure I'm going to do that, and I'll tell you why. This is why I don't think I'm going to put it back here. Picked up one of these from Anaconda on special, 15 bucks, beer bung they're called. They fit a 30-degree rod hole, and they're a twin drink can holder. And I think right back here is going to be a crappy spot for it. So I'm thinking of bringing it probably up there, having the 30-degree hole there, and it'll make it easier to get to because we've got a seat here, so easy to get to drinks for passenger there, and yeah, rod holder between these two studs. I think that's going to be the go. Alrighty, so I've seen this done because it's 30 degrees. I've seen people using plywood templates and all sorts of things to keep your angle. Look, to be honest, I'm reasonably good at following a right angle just from a, using trade. Carpentry, not boat building, but trade's a trade, working tools. So anyway, fingers crossed. I might just keep that there so I've got a bit of a guide, but you tell me if I'm just standing on a bucket. But yeah, you tell me if I'm going skew with. It's alright, did that on purpose. Look about right? I hope so. Alright. I think that went alright. Okay, moment of truth. I think I'll do the other one a bit smaller on the other side. This hole is a bit big. I had to do it a bit big for the vertical ones because they had a flange up around the top. These ones wasn't quite as pronounced. I wasn't really paying attention. That's okay. I can't see me hooking 200-pound tuna from these things. So. Beautiful. Haha! Happy with that. There we go, guys. One side's done. It looks pretty good. 3 there. 1 there. Let's go start on the other side. Oh, look at that, it's filthy. Let's see this shine. I think that's pretty good actually. You can see reflection in it. Look at that! Happy with that! We'll just go down a bit further where nothing's been done. Nothing's done there. Smooth and sexy. Alright, let's get going. And we are, squeeze down in the seat, done. Alrighty, last one's done. If you've got something out of it, entertain you for a little bit, like, subscribe. Not just a dad, I'm Crago. Thanks for watching. That's better. Oh shit. Really went the wrong spot. Like, subscribe. Not just a dad. Appreciate your time. Thanks, fellas. Thanks, guys. Thanks, everyone.